milk or juice? Please ring it up. How much does that cost? Okay, thank you. Okay, I would like a hot dog too, please. Thank you. Where's my money? Oh, here's my card. Just use my ATM card. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. Thank you for shopping.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that.
Have it again.
Okay. Go. Here we go. I'll take some macaroni and cheese.
Okay. How about some put in the back?
Okay.
Thank you. My.
Thank you. Here, I need to pay for it. Do I need to pay for it?
Yeah.
How many dollars? Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye now.
You go.
Okay.